Hey, I'm really glad you're here. Today I'm helping my family again with the jewelry business, and I just wanted to bring you along with me while I clean some 925 sterling silver pieces. Right now, I'm just getting started, taking each piece and looking at what it needs. Some of them are not too bad, but some definitely need a little extra care. I actually like doing this. It's kind of quiet and calming. Sterling silver is interesting because it can lose its shine over time, but it's nice knowing it's not permanent. You can always bring it back. I just go piece by piece slowly, making sure I don't rush it. I was thinking, do you enjoy things like this? Like cleaning, organizing, or you try to avoid it? You can tell me in the comments. I do actually like to know. This part right here is my favorite thing. When you can start seeing the difference. It's small, but it makes just a big change. And it almost feels like a Julie is actually coming back to life. Doing this remind me that there's so much work behind the small businesses, things people don't always see. I just helping my family where I can, learning little by little. If you like this kind of video, calm and real, you can subscribe if you want to keep following the journey. And before you go, which piece do you like the most? Thank you for spending this time with me. I really appreciate you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.